Good morning! It is day 5 and Hayden has hired us a jet ski for the day. Well, until 1 o'clock. So we're going jet skiing and we're going to an island on the jet ski to go snorkel. So we're very excited. We'll see you there. Bye! There couldn't be a more perfect place to go jet skiing. The island's beautiful, the sun was shining, my skin was glowing, which created some sunburn, but we'll speak about that later. And it was just an amazing day. Hayden was loving riding the jet ski and I was loving being a passenger, and we made our way across to our first stop, Koh Tan. I think it was Koh Tan. If I'm wrong, guys, please get into the comments and let me know. After some snorkeling, I grabbed hold of Hayden and we went off to our second stop, Koh Samui, which is also known as Pig Island. Yes, you didn't hear me wrong. It is called Pig Island. In a moment, you'll see why. We are on Pig Island. There's pigs here. The legend goes, and I do believe this is a true story, that the owner of the bar on this island went to the mainland to visit his family one day, and he walked through a market where they were selling livestock. He saw this family of 4 pigs that were cuddled up together and he didn't want to separate them, so he bought them and brought them back to the island. Or so the legend goes. Guys, we just went to Pig Island. Now we're getting back on the jet ski, going back to Koh Samui. Welcome to the Hin Yai and Hin Ta rock formations, which is the grandmother and grandfather rocks. Another legend has it, an elderly native couple traveled by sailboat and strong storms sank their boat, and the couple drowned after cursing the waters and their fate. Their bodies got washed ashore and turned into rocks instantly. Guys, we've come to thank you, Overlap Stone. It's a viewpoint. But this hill to climb up, see that? Yeah. And it goes all the way. Crazy. Crazy. Okay, that's this. The water. I'm tired already. Yeah, there's the sunburn I was telling you about. You must lean back. Lean back. Lean back. Lean back. Hey guys, so we have just come back from our jet skiing day. My body has taken a beating, guys. That jet ski, the water is very choppy. And between the boats the other day and the jet ski today, I feel like I've been beaten. My body is so sore. So sore. So I don't know, tomorrow I know that I'm going to be sore. Tomorrow I'm going to be sore. Guys. But anyway, we've just gotten back home. I've showered quickly and washed my hair. And now we're going to Bo Pit because it's Friday night. And on Friday nights they have a night market. So yeah, that's going to be quite fun. We're going to check out Coco Tams. Apparently that's a very cool beach bar. And quite vibey at nighttime. So that's what we're gonna do. But we are taking a taxi rather than taking the scooter. So maybe one drink. We'll see how we feel. But yeah, we'll see you soon. We took a taxi to Bo Pit, Fisherman's Village. So Fisherman Village is a place where there's a whole lot of restaurants, really nice restaurants on the beach. And there's lots of shops and stalls, and on Friday night they have a night market and a walking street. We decided to have dinner at this restaurant called Smile House, which, guys, it's on the beach. Ah, it was beautiful. So this was the night market that happens on Friday nights, and because it was a Friday night, there were so many people. It was hard to even move. But it kind of added to the vibe of Fisherman's Village, so it was amazing. Guys, there were millies everywhere, even on the beach. I couldn't believe that Thailand had millies, bride millies. And then of course there were the bugs. A little bit more of a delicacy for my liking. But hey, each to their own, I always say. The ice cream is more my taste. Ice cream and Oreos, oh my word, if ever there was a match made in heaven, this was really good. And of course, hubby also thought so. Are you enjoying your ice cream? And we ended off the night at Koh Samui on the beach, watching the most amazing fire show. Definitely my favorite part of the evening. Thank you, Thailand. Thank you, Koh Samui, for the amazing memories.
Okay, guys, that's the end of the day today. We went to the fisherman village in market in Opit. It was super cool. Went to Coco Tabs. Had the best time. It was so much fun. Watched the fire show. So lekker. Yeah, it was a good night. And now we're going home. Going to sleep for early morning. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.